Hey beauties! I am so excited to share with you one of my favorite recipes today. Let's harvest into it! The first step is to place your choice of a design template under parchment paper. We're gonna start off making the design paste. So add 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter in a bowl. Next, we're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar with the butter. Mix the granulated sugar and the butter until you get a smooth paste. Sift 1/3 cup of cake flour in a separate bowl. Separate 1 large egg white in a separate bowl. Add the sifted cake flour with the butter. Mix the cake flour into the butter until it is partially incorporated. Add in the egg white and mix until it is smooth. The paste should look like so. I divided my paste into 3 bowls, but it all depends on your design. I added 2 drops of green food coloring in the first bowl. Then I added 6 drops of red food coloring in the middle bowl. Finally, I added 1 to 2 drops in the last bowl. Mix the food coloring into the paste. Now it's time to draw the design. Not gonna lie, drawing this design made me so exhausted. Freeze your design while you prepare the cake batter. Here's a look at my finished design. Now onto the cake batter. Pour 1/3 cup of vegetable oil in a bowl. Then add 1/3 cup of milk. After mixing in the milk, sift 3/4 cup of cake flour in the mixture. Then mix until the batter is smooth. Add the separated egg yolks in the batter. Add a few drops of vanilla extract. Now here comes the tricky part. Beat the egg whites while gradually adding in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. The cue for you to stop beating your egg whites are when you see lines form and when you see a soft peak. Add 1/3 of the beaten egg white in the cake batter. Add the cake batter into the rest of the beaten egg white mixture. Gently fold the egg whites into the cake batter. Be careful, don't overmix. Make sure everything is blended in smoothly. Pour the cake batter on top of the design. Tap the cake pan to release any air bubbles. Bake the cake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Look at how clean that came out. Beat 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream in a stand mixer. Add 1/8 cup of granulated sugar, then add 2 to 3 drops of red food coloring. You'll be able to tell when the whipped cream is ready when you see lines form. Spread out the whipped cream evenly on the cake. Slice fresh strawberries, then add them on top of the cake. Last but not least, roll the cake up. Refrigerate the cake overnight so it will be sturdy. Oh my gosh, can you just admire this beauty? Thanks for watching, beauties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share your design if you end up trying this recipe. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!